Hi, YouTube. YouTube. I have taken this video about a small bird. My native is from India, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and in attur. This bird is a weird creature and it's flying all about. We don't know what its habitat is, but you know, you know, you know that birds do not fly during the rainy season because they get wet and fall down and even get crushed. So, but these birds are falling down everywhere around the city in attur.
Uh,
We thought that it could be an owl or some other bird, but now it's confirmed that it's a small
Don't shake it.
sparrow.
okay. It.
See, you can see it.
Yeah. Yeah. Here also one bird sitting in the upside down. He turned like this and see it. It look like a sparrow. Yeah, it look like a sparrow. It is amazing, no? But it look is sea like. Now we are changing the camera to our native place.
You can see this bird. It measures about slightly without the wings. It measures about 12 to 13 centimeters.
Yeah.
See?
Yeah.
Mm.
The average, it's medium.
Each wing measures about 12 centimeters. Its beak is 0.5 centimeter. It is some kind of black, white stripes in the center.
Like fur.
But this one is not flying.
Because it.
Its wings are wet.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, we can close this video for now, I think.